It's Sunday, the 23rd of August, 2015. This is a chart for Regis Resources, one of the gold stocks I've been following for quite a while now on these videos. Um, in the last month, Regis has had a very sort of definitive move, I think. A month ago, it had a set of announcements to do with production guidance and downgrades to reserves at Garden Well and a new mine plan. And also, importantly, I think it had a dividend announcement looking at 5 to 7 cents in October, which, given the current price is $1.50, that's, a 3% yield, only half year yield. So I think they'd probably try to replicate that again next year sometime. So you're looking at maybe 10 cents yield at $1.53. So what's that, 6 or 7% gross yield? Technically, the stock's really looking quite good here as well. This high volume breakout sustained, and even when the gold price was smashed in the last couple of weeks, it held that level. And just with the gold price move in the last week, it's broken out above a couple of key levels. And that mainly this high of $1.45 here, it's broken out above there, and also this 200-day moving average here that I've drawn in. That was historically quite a good important level. Here you can see it was acting as support a couple of times, and then resistance here. So we haven't, apart from this brief 2-month period that's at the end of last year, it hasn't broken out above that. So I think it's a fairly important move with the dividend announcements, I think, and there's also a buyback in play. I'm not sure if the buyback will actually happen. I think it's more of the threat of a buyback than the actual buyback that will help push the stock up, because a lot of this stock was very short. I'm not sure what the current short position is, but it had been up as high as 8 to 10% of the whole stock, so which is incredibly high. A couple of targets, I think. Initially, this sort of $1.78, $1.75, $1.80 level is possible, especially with the gold price looking fairly bullish at the moment, especially an Australian dollar gold price. And then probably the next important level is this 215 level, which was when they had the flooding announcement in 2014. That was where it broke down from, and then that's where it came back and hit resistance at the start of this year. So I think that's a couple of key levels you can look forward to. I think it looks extremely bullish. Probably one of the better placed gold stocks at the moment. And it looks like a lot of the production problems they've had are behind them. So yeah, it's probably my top play in the Australian gold sector.